Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to start an operating agreement from the template on the LegalZoom. First, click the drop-down button onto the business and choose here the operating agreement. Now from here, click on Start My Operating Agreement, which starts at $99. Now after clicking it, it'll ask you a different kind of informations, like did you form a new LLC or converting existing business on LLC. All you need to do is to fill all of this up and click on Continue. Now provide what is your LLC's business address. Click on Continue after filling all of those informations. The units, click on Continue. And also here, what was the name of the business before you converted it into LLC? All you need to do is to add a specific name and if the business is sole proprietorship or a partnership. Now, select a name of the current owner and the number of units, and then click on Continue. Now from here, they're going to ask who is the manager of the LLC. Here, please select one of the following statements regarding transfer of ownership interest. 2/3. Click on Continue. Now from here, you're going to select what is the end of LLC's fiscal year. In here, you are free to choose any date you wish, but for simplicity, most people choose December 31st. So let's go on to December 31st too. And click on Continue. Here, you're going to type which of the following best describes the company's primary business activity. Let's go on to the constructor or contractor and click on Continue. Now after filling up all of the informations, you can see the package. They have the rush operating agreement, the standard operating. They can also give you a shipping method like 2-day delivery or an overnight next business days. From here, gonna choose and click on Continue. From here, all you need to do is to provide your primary contact and your shipping address in order for you to receive it and click on Agree and Place Order. And that's it. That's how to operate agreement template from the LegalZoom. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.